I think it is going to be a forward-looking budget with emphasis on developing some of the emerging sectors, especially global capability centers. Indian GCC industry is likely to hit $100 billion by 2030 and by employing over 2.5 million professionals. Indian GCCs have transformed from a mere cost-saving facility to a hub of providing high-end innovation work. Government has realized the potential of GCC industry, what they offer for country's growth, and that too in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. I do see a policy measure getting announced in the upcoming budget to fast-track the momentum in Indian GCC industry, a framework of incentives that will enable the growth of GCC in Tier 2 or maybe even Tier 3 urban pockets of India. The government will continue to push the manufacturing-led growth model. I think in this budget, we should see a lot more focus on increasing export competitiveness of Indian manufacturers, especially MSMEs. I also believe that the government would continue to promote adoption of green manufacturing practices, especially for sectors such as textiles. Adopting environmentally friendly manufacturing processes is critical if Indian textile manufacturers want to play a bigger role in global textile value chain. And with Bangladesh still recovering from the political crisis, there's a great opportunity for our homegrown apparel manufacturers. I also believe that government would continue their action on decriminalizing various regulatory reforms and offer a more conducive and investor-friendly business climate in the country.